So this is a 2014 Ram CV Tradesman. It's the exact same thing as a Dodge Grand Caravan, but the difference is there's no back windows and no back seats. So this makes the perfect little efficient work truck. It drives like a car, drives exactly like a town and country or a Dodge Grand Caravan, but the back is set up as a cargo van. So the wheels are hubcaps. This model only comes in one trim level, which is the Tradesman trim, which is Ram's lowest trim level, but it's still pretty nice. So these look like real wheels, but they are steelies with wheel covers. And then the back, it says CV, and it doesn't say Dodge, it says Ram. This was when Dodge and Ram first split up, and then Ram was for commercial vehicles, and then Dodge was for cars and stuff. So let's open up the back. So the floor, there is no back seats. It's just a metal floor with this grip tape on it so things don't slide around. You still get the cup holders and everything that you would get in the regular Dodge Caravan. They didn't take it out, so you could put like cleaning supplies or whatever you want there. This one came with that cage back there for cargo. Before we got this, it was used for a cargo van doing packages and deliveries, but I'm using it as a work truck for doing dryer vent cleaning. So the struts are really good. They're reinforced. The suspension is reinforced so you could hold more cargo. I put that cool exhaust tip on, but that doesn't come in it. There was like a rusty one. So now let's open the back doors. And this is what it looks like. The cage keeps everything from flying into the seats. And you have two doors, which a lot of vans only have one, so it's pretty convenient. You could use both doors. I have some stuff here. I put this little rack, and I just strapped it to that cage. So now let's go look at the front. This is what it looks. This is what the door panel looks like. Really cool. It has the same wood trim and leather that you would get in a Dodge Caravan. Seats are really cool. It's like grandma's recliner. They're cool material, fabric material. It only comes in one trim, so you get fabric seats. And sitting in it just feels like sitting in a car or a regular minivan. It has a CD player. I like to use the CD player for a phone mount. I think it's the best phone mount, so I'm not going to change that. And then I just have a Bluetooth adapter. It does have an auxiliary port. I don't think it has built-in Bluetooth, but I have one of these Bluetooth transmitter phone chargers down here. We get two cup holders. We get this bin here. I'm not sure if that comes with it or if the last owner had that. And pretty nice. Two speakers. Not a crazy good sound system, but it does work. This one has 315,000 miles, so it is a reliable truck. It still runs great. Has great power. It has a V6. 3.8 liter V6 with like 285 horsepower, so it does get up and go. And overall, if you're looking for a small, reliable, decently fuel efficient work truck that's easy to drive and you could fit a lot of equipment, I would go with one of these. You could find them for really good deals.